Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the blend tool in Adobe Illustrator on iPad. So first of all, I'm going to create a cloud out of a circle, circles. So I'm just duplicating these circles and then I'm going to combine them to make them into one shape. So I'm just going to highlight all of these circles and then I'm going to select the shape builder tool and I'm just dragging inside of this to make it into one object, and then I've duplicated it and I'm changing the front one to white and then decreasing the size and placing it in the middle. So now we're going to blend it. So if you combine both of these shapes together and select the blend option, you'll see it's now created this effect. You can toggle on the little circle with the arrows, and if you go up it will blend more, but if you go down it doesn't blend as much. And another way to use the blend tool is to create patterns, and I'm just making this cloud smaller and then I'm placing it in the middle and then duplicating it and putting the second cloud at the bottom, and then I'm going to highlight both of these clouds and select the blend option again. And then if we toggle on the circle with the two arrows, you can see you can actually make a pattern with as many clouds as you want. And you can also toggle on the little circle on the line in the middle you can manipulate the position. And that's it guys. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, just pop it in the comments and I'll get back to you. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, see you on the next one.